So how do you pronounce it? Weir? No. How do you pronounce this word? Savare? No. So without further ado, let's dive in. Number 11. This word. How do you pronounce this word? Congestion? No. Congestion. ይሄ የትራፊክ ምናምን መጨናነቅ ማለት congestion ላለቃችሁ ደውላችሁ hey I've got unexpected congestion on my way that's why I'm running late ማለት ይችላል። running late ማለት ያረፈዱ መሮጥ ሳይሆን እየተንቀራፈፍኩ ያለሁት ስላልተመቸኝ ነው፣ የዘገየሁት ስላልተመቸኝ ነው ጉዞ ላይ እንደማለት። I'm running late the idiomatic expression መውሰድ ትችላላችሁ። I'm running late.
So you can alleviate any arbitrary level of urban congestion.
So when gas is cheap, of course, people are going to drive a lot, and then that causes congestion, accident risk, pollution, et cetera, et cetera.
It didn't take that long and has made a huge difference to traffic congestion, to clearing off the streets of...
Highways are choked with congestion. Transportation delays cost Americans and businesses billions of dollars every year.
Number 12. This word, how do you pronounce this word? Digestion. የምግብ መፈጨት ወይንም ልመት የምንለው ማለት digestion እንደዚህ ነው ፕሮናውንስ የምናደርገው? No. How do you pronounce it? The correct pronunciation for this word is digestion. Drink lots of water to boost your digestion. የበላኸው ምግብ በአግባቡ እንዲፈጭ ውሃ በደንብ ጠጣ።
Your lunch is not being digested anymore. Your digestion is going to stop.
Consciousness is a biological phenomenon like photosynthesis, digestion, mitosis.
Take the liver, for example. It has over 500 functions, like producing bile for digestion.
Number 13. This word. How do you pronounce this word? Savare? No. Severe. የከፋ እንደማለት። አሁን ስለ ችግር ከሆነ የምናወራው የከፋ ችግር ማለት ስንፈልግ a severe problem.
It's a much less severe situation than what's taken place. Severe situation than what's taken place.
That this actually presents a severe problem.
I had a severe problem related to related to
ከዛ እንደ ናውን ደግሞ ሲሆን the severity of the problem ማለት ይችላልላችሁ ማለት የችግሩ አስከፊነት the severity of the problem.
And the government has no mechanism to track the severity of the problem.
On the issue of severity, you have this problem.
Number 14. This word. It's related with the above one. How do you pronounce it? Sincere? No. Sincere ማለት እውነተኛ እንደማለት ቅጽል ነው። adjective ነው እንትኑ sincere. Wow, what a sincere friendship. እውነተኛ ጓደኝነት ማለት ስትፈልጉ a sincere friendship. እውነተኛ ወዳጅነት ማለት ስትፈልጉ a sincere friendship.
And peaceful dialogue and sincere interest and protective listening of children. Sincere interest and protective listening of children.
Fellow Ethiopians, fellow Africans, I'm trying to help you how to fix or correct the usually mispronounced words that we usually use in our daily conversations. If you're new here, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to this channel. This is English with Gazish. Thank you so much for your support. Number 15. This word. How do you pronounce this word? It has two possibilities, by the way. If you pronounce it as like this, here, you're correct. If you pronounce it also like this, there, you're also correct. But when are we going to use? So the secret is now in its context. It depends on the context. ለምሳሌ እስቲ መኪናዋ ስለጠፋ እንባዋን አፈሰሰች በሉኝ እስቲ በእንግሊዝኛ. She shed lots of tears for her lost car. ቲር ነው እዚህ ጋር ቲር ተግባባ።
They may refuse to eat or lay down, shedding tears until they starve to death. Shedding tears, shedding tears, shedding tears until they starve to death.
She shed copious tears in coming to Lady Liberty may be shedding tears, not because we've stopped welcoming immigrants, shedding tears, shedding tears, shedding tears, not because we've stopped welcoming immigrants.
Okay, ሁለተኛው ኦኬዥን የሚመጣው እንደዚህ ሳረጋ እያችሁኝ እንዴ ወረቀቱን አትቅደደው እንጂ ትበሉ don't tear the paper no don't tear the paper ወረቀቱ መቅደድ ማለት tear the paper ወይንም tearing the paper አክሽኑ ቀጥታ ከሆነ ስለዚህ tear ሳይሆን tear ለመቅደድ ሲሆን don't tear the paper ወረቀት ብቻ አይደለም ማንኛውም ነገር የሚቀደድ ነገር ሲኖር ቲር ሳይሆን የምንለው tear okay don't tear the paper this is what tearing the paper አይዞን እሺ
And don't tear the paper, don't tear the paper, don't tear the paper, don't tear the paper. Washi tape.
Reza Khan proved that tearing away the veil by force, tearing away the veil, tearing away the veil, tearing away the veil by force.
Okay, we've been doing a great job so far, right? Perfect. Let's proceed now. Number 16. This word. How do you pronounce this word? I have been mispronouncing this word for years. But thankfully, not now. So how do you pronounce it? Where? No. Where? ለምሳሌ እስቲ ጃኬትን ልበስ በሉኝ እስቲ wear your jacket? No. Wear your jacket.
If you don't want to wear your jacket all day, you can take it off. Wear your jacket, wear your jacket, wear your jacket, wear your jacket all day. You don't want to wear your jacket all day, you can take it off.
እስቲ ሸሚዝን ልበስ በሉኝ እስቲ wear your shirt ሳይሆን wear your shirt እንዴ ምንድን ነው የምታወራው? Where were you yesterday? Where did you go yesterday? Where are you right now? Where have you been? ከምንለው where ጋር ቦታን ከሚያሳየው where ጋር አንድ አይነት አይሆንብንም ወይ? ምንድን ነው የምታወራው? An excellent question. But they are perfectly identical in pronunciation. What do I mean by that? Such words are called homophones. Homophones are words having similar pronunciation but different meanings and spellings. Homo, identical. Okay, phones, just sound related. Then identical sounds. Of course, they are pronounced identically. They are pronounced exactly the same. Where are you right now? Wear your jacket. Where have you been? Okay, wear your t-shirt. Wear your shirt. Wear your sweater. Don't get confused, okay? No confusion at all. እውነት ነው የለመድነው wear የሚለው ነው። Wear your jacket. Wear your shirt የለመድነው ነው። That's not the right way to pronounce this word. የቋንቋው ባለቤቶች wear አይሉ ከየተምተን wear እንበልኛ. You gotta know this. Separate video አለ ሆሞፎንስን የሰራሁበት ቼክ ማድረግ ትችላላችሁ። I've got a separate video for you focusing on homophones. I'm sure you're gonna enjoy the video when it's released. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.